Welcome back to our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. Today we're going to work on Paper Plane 3, the traditional paper airplane, also known as the Dart. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell for notifications. I'll be posting a new video every single week. The Dart, it's not really exotic, but it is traditional, and any collection of paper airplanes would be lacking without this, so I'm gonna have this in here early on so I could work on more fancy stuff later on. I know that there's two versions of this paper airplane. There's the one where the folds are on top of the paper airplane, and there's the one where the folds are below the paper airplane. Today we're gonna fold the one where the folds are below the paper airplane because this is the one I know, and this is also the one that I learned. So please enjoy the clip. Now we're done. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And once again, thank you for watching. See you next time. Click the playlist on the left for more paper airplanes. Click the playlist on the right for more awesome origami.